here with my friend Laurent Zarate, and he is the owner and chef of Fleur de Sel Artisan Creperie in Spokane, also the owner of another restaurant called Fleur de Sel. We're going to be making some great stuff here in the kitchen at Second Harvest.
At Second Harvest, yes.
Yeah, and you know this place well.
I do. I teach cooking class for their customer once a month. People that want to learn simple food, cooking with their heart, and with what we have in the warehouse, because that warehouse is big.
It's big and it's busy.
It's busy.
This is such a great space that we get to work in. So what are we? I see this lovely head of cabbage here.
Mon petit chou. This is.
So that's what you call it in French?
A chou, yeah, a cabbage.
So what are we going to do with this?
Well, I thought we would do a twist of a special tea in France.
Okay.
It's a stuffed cabbage.
Stuffed
so usually it's a whole cabbage that is stuffed with pork sausages.
A whole cabbage?
The whole cabbage.
Okay.
But
Beautiful.
I thought we're in Washington. And let's do something a little different with some Washington produce.
I love it.
I thought salmon is a specialty of the Northwest.
It is.
So we're going to stuff individual cabbage with a duxelle of mushroom, mushroom cream, and some Northwest salmon.
That sounds amazing. So how do we get started?
Well, we have several things to do.
Okay.
And we're going to start with removing the leaf of the cabbage.
Laurent begins to core the cabbage. Once the core is removed, he spreads the cabbage apart and pulls off individual leaves.
Tell me about cabbage. Like, I mean, you can do a lot with cabbage.
I think it's one of the great. I have red and green cabbage on the menu for the winter, from the fall to the spring, because I think it's one of the king vegetable of the winter.
Yeah.
Next, we blanch the cabbage leaves in boiling water for about 5 minutes. When they're done, we give them an ice bath and set them to the side. Next, we start to make a mushroom duxelle.
It's a classic. Every kitchen in France has a duxelle. It's like your bechamel. It's like your pastry cream for a pastry chef.
Laurent chops shallots, garlic, and mushrooms and begins to sauté them in a pan. Soon, it's time to add some cream and salt and pepper.
So a lot of dishes you can make with cabbage. But
Seems like a lot of cultures. I mean,
all over
have a special.
I think it's
cabbage
very.
dish.
So we're gonna reduce that until there is no more cream.
Okay.
And while we have that, we're gonna prepare the butter sauce.
I forgot how to say it.
Yes, you know.
Beurre blanc. Beurre blanc.
To begin our sauce, we mince some shallots.
Then we are going to put some white wine from Walla Walla. And we're gonna reduce that. I think that's good. Yeah, that's
And a little bit more.
There we go.
I like that.
So we're gonna reduce that to dry. Same. So this almost dry.
Yeah.
This almost dry.
While our duxelle and sauce reduce on the stove, Laurent slices our Northwest salmon into small pieces.
Now we have our duxelle. That needs to be cool. So we're gonna cool it.
Okay.
Once the duxelle is cool, we can assemble our stuffed cabbages for steaming. First, we lay out our cabbage leaves, spread on our cold mushroom duxelle, add our salmon, and season with salt and pepper.
And now we're gonna do the same thing.
Double layers.
Yes, we're gonna layer everything.
I'm getting it now.
So we're gonna bring all that together, the 4 square.
We twist our wrapped cabbages and then they're ready to be steamed.
And we're gonna go wait until it's cooked, reach 155 degree.
Okay.
We're gonna measure it with a thermometer.
Yeah.
And when it's done, we're gonna try to eat it.
While the cabbages steam, we finish our butter sauce. We pour in some cream, whisk in butter, and then add salt, lemon juice, and fresh dill. Once our butter sauce is ready and our stuffed cabbages reach 155 degrees, it's time to put it all together.
Little packages.
Okay.
Can't wait to see what it looks like inside. Oh, that's so pretty.
All right, go for it. You want?
Okay. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Huh? Delicious. Is universal, you know.
I know.
To get the recipe for Laurent's stuffed cabbage, head over to wagrown.com.